In today's video, I'm going to teach you Pocket Option Affiliate Program for Beginners, how to earn in 2025. First, open your browser and head to the official Pocket Option website. You can search for it, then look for the secure padlock in the address bar before you proceed. Once you're on the site, log into your existing account so you can access your dashboard. After you've logged in and you're on the home page, look to the top corner of the screen for your profile avatar or username and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Profile. This takes you to your account area where all your personal settings and program tools live. Inside your profile, find and click the section called Pocket Friends. This is the affiliate area. Right away, you'll see your unique referral link. This link is what tracks anyone who signs up through you, so always share it exactly as it appears. Just below or nearby, you'll also see your referral promo code. Some users prefer typing a code rather than clicking a link, so it's helpful to share both options when you can. To make sharing easy, click the copy icon next to the link or the promo code. You can paste these into a message, an email, or a social post. A quick tip, include a clear note explaining what the link is for and who it's suitable for. Keep your message transparent and avoid spammy tactics. Genuine recommendations work best and help you stay compliant with platform rules. You'll also notice a share button in the same area. Click that if you want to open the built-in sharing window. You'll see the same referral link and promo code there, just presented in a way that's ready to send. From this window, choose the platform you prefer, messaging apps, email, or social networks, and send it directly. Tailor your message to the audience and keep it concise. Here's how rewards work based on the program details shown in this section. When your invited friend makes a deposit of at least $10 and achieves a trading turnover of 15 times, the referral qualifies. Program terms can change, so always double check the exact conditions displayed in your Pocket Friends page before you promote. As you invite more friends who qualify, your bonuses grow. Focus on sharing with people who understand the risks of trading and would genuinely benefit from the platform. This walkthrough is for educational purposes, not financial advice, and you should always follow local laws and the platform's terms when sharing referral links. That's it. Log in, go to Profile, open Pocket Friends, copy your link and code, and share responsibly to start earning in 2025.